it's cool stuff, and today we will be making homemade Play-Doh with flour, dish soap, food coloring. This is optional. It depends on if you want it colored or not. Just some water. Doesn't matter if it's warm or cold. And a mixing bowl. Oh. And I forgot a spoon. I'll be right back. Yeah, a spoon. You'll need a spoon. Okay, so first, you're going to want to get your flour. Doesn't matter how much you put in there. Just don't put like way too much. You put like a couple spoonfuls, I guess. 2 big spoonfuls, I guess. If you need more, you can just add more later. Then you pour a little bit of water in. And you mix it. It'll soon form to be dough. You might need a little bit more water. Yeah, I need more water. I'll show you when it gets what it's supposed to look like. No. You don't want to make it very sticky, so if it's still sticking to the spoon, see, it's supposed to turn like bread dough, like if you're making bread or something like that. Okay, once it's covered in flour and everything, your hands are going to get really messy. You might want to put some flour on your hands. Get some flour, extra flour that's in the bowl, and pick up everything that formed together, like this, and smush it in your hands. It's almost like bread dough or something. See? When you're done, when this is done, mix it thoroughly in your hands with that. When you're done, just lay it aside and try to get all the flour off your hands so you can. And then you move your bowl out of the way. Just get this. I'm just going to get this here. You flatten it out a bit. Oh, it's still a little bit sticky, then dab it with flour. Yes. I'm going to make it green, I think. I'm going to use green. Ooh, that was squirted everywhere. Put like 5 drops in it, I guess. Or more if you want, if it's not pigmented enough. You put it on the Play-Doh and you just mix it in until it's all through the Play-Doh. You could also just make plain Play-Doh. You can make whatever color you want, depends on what colors, food coloring you got. It'll take a long time, quite a bit of time to mix the color in since it's like this. So, yeah. You can also try, I've never tried putting the food coloring in the flour and mixing it, so you can do that. I think it needs a little bit more. Put 3 more drops in it. This is safe. Like, it won't last very long unless you put dish soap in it, because I'm pretty sure dish soap keeps it, fresh, so it doesn't because once I made some without dish soap and couple days after, it smelled weird, like moldish. But there's no mold in it that I knew of, so I just threw it away just in case. But I just put, if you don't put enough to dish soap in it, then so you can have dish soap before if you want, but I like to do it after. It doesn't matter. Right now, this is really sticky, so yeah. You can make as many colors as you want. Like like I said, it depends on what food dye you have. Your hands will get messy. It would be good if you had gloves, but we don't have any right now. We used them all up. It takes a while, but it's really fun to squish. And it's like this really soft Play-Doh. And it's basically stuff you have in your house. So, like, my little brother and sister, they used to have Play-Doh. Like, a bunch of Play-Doh. And they played with it too much. And they mixed it and everything. So, yeah. And it dried out. And they were very unresponsible with it. This stuff here is very easy to make, so you could just make more after they destroy it, like they destroyed ours. I'm not saying that it's very expensive to buy actual Play-Doh, but this is really fun to do with your children or your little brother and sister. I'm just going to dab in the flour a little bit. I learned this recipe from my nan. She used to always, when she was little, she used to make it all the time. Yeah, because her family, she had a lot of kids in her family. She had like 10 siblings. Yeah, 10 or 11, I can't remember. But yeah, and she used to just make her own Play-Doh. So I'll show you how it turned out now. It's clearly like Play-Doh. It doesn't like move like slime. I'm gonna roll it. Just like Play-Doh. It's not very pigmented or anything, but it's Play-Doh. Very, like Play-Doh plush, you know that stuff? That's what it's like. Okay, we'll see ya next time on Cool Stuff.